Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jayyduty here, and I'm back with another video. The real reason why a woman would cheat on you. Now, I'm not about to sugarcoat anything. If a woman cheat on you, dog, that means she lacked purpose. She had no sexual discipline. She didn't know what she truly wants, and she'll do that to every other dude. That means she don't even know what she wants in her life, and she lack a lot of purpose. She's not connected within. And stop paying attention to them females who's not connected within, okay? Now, another reason why a woman would cheat on you, right? That has everything to do with you. Yeah. Like, you probably not desirable. I'm going to be honest with you. You either look at it as a good thing, go to the gym, get in better shape, start taking care of your hygiene, start actually learning how to talk to women, actually improve your quality of life. Or you can look at it as a bad thing. You can start saying, oh yeah, bro, bitches ain't shit. I'm not fucking with bitches no more. Like, y'all just whores and all that other stuff. Like, you know how a nigga get in his feelings. He start getting mad at the person who cheated on him. Nah, bro, listen, dog, I got cheated on before I got lied to. I don't look at every other woman that way. You get what I'm saying? I'm not mad at every other woman because the last woman effed me over, because I understood that, yo, the reason why the last woman effed me over, because she lacked discipline, she lacked purpose, she didn't know what she wanted her life, and nothing too. I was undesirable. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, dog, like the reason why I got this nigga on the screen right here is because, my nigga, you can't be looking like this and expect a girl to take care of you or a girl to respect you. Why should a girl respect you when you don't even respect your damn self? A woman will treat you based on how you treat yourself. If you looking like this, why do you expect a girl to deserve you or a girl to desire you? Come on, dog. Like, you got to start focusing on yourself at one point. It's not all about women if you're not in better shape. Like, why are you even focusing on women if you know what women desire? Like, y'all complain about what women want, but be the person who women desire. Literally. Like, oh, women want a dude who's 6'5", a dude who's rich, a dude who's in better shape. Bro, all of that is controllable. Like, you can literally control that, dog. Like, you can become the person you are meant to be. Like, you can become that guy if you just put in the work. See, some of y'all niggas, y'all just like making excuses. Y'all don't want to put in the work. So don't complain about the problem that women have with men if you don't even want to put in the work so they can literally love you for who you truly are. And you like, oh, Jayyduty, but women's supposed to just love me because I would just love them. Like, I shouldn't give somebody a reason to love me. Do you think that's why I met the love of my life? If I was chopped cheese, I didn't want to go out and, work. I wasn't getting in better shape. Like, imagine if I was just undesirable. Imagine if I was just, ain't shit in life. You think my girl would want to be with me, nigga? Like, imagine if I didn't have no goals and aspirations. Like, dog, like, imagine if I ain't have a six-pack. You think I would have been with my girl right now, nigga? Fuck no. Fuck no. You have to prove your difference. You can't be like every other man and then complain why you don't get laid or you don't get the life that you want. You can't do what everybody else do and expect a lifestyle that nobody has or expect a girl that nobody wants. Like, what's one thing about you that makes you different? Change how you talk to women. Some niggas be saying stupid shit. And I had this type of, habit of just saying stupid shit, rage baiting my girl. You think that's attractive or that's, like, helpful when you dealing with a woman, but it's not. You see, the reason why a woman would leave you is because she found somebody better. She knew it would be better on his side. And half the time, it don't even get better. Like, don't even be worrying about that shit, bro. Like, if a girl left you for another dude, let me tell you something. Focus on your motherfucking self. Don't chase. Don't text her. Fuck all that, nigga. Don't even block her. Like, nigga, just delete her contacts and just go to the gym every single day. I remember when me and my girl was on bad terms, right? And the first thing I did with my life is woke up early in the morning, practicing retention, and I went to the gym early in the fucking morning. And I stacked up that motherfucking bread. I wasn't worrying about, oh, who she's with, oh, how she feel about me now, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that. If you're not in my presence, I don't give a fuck. It's all about me. You gotta learn how to love yourself, dog. Like, you gotta stop focusing on things that you can't control. You can't control what she doing in her life and who she's sleeping with or how she feel about you. You can't control that. The only thing you can control is 4 things. How you think, how you talk, how you feel, and what you do. Outside of that, let it go, my nigga. Just let it go, my nigga. Like, I know you probably feel hurt, like, oh, she just cheated on me. She was probably your wife. She was probably your girlfriend. She was probably your motherfucking best friend, but she wanted somebody else, and y'all knew y'all can be something. But, my nigga, you gonna have to just let it go and self-improve, my nigga. Like, it is what it is, my nigga. You can't control what happened, bro. You can only control the present moment, and you're gonna have to just focus on yourself, my nigga. Like, that's the only advice I got for you, my nigga. Like, it happens to all of us, my nigga. Like, you got to look at it as a good thing. Like, you know, gain a greater perspective from the situation. Like, nigga, it is what it is. Nigga, it's people who going through worse. It's motherfuckers who's walking in on a baby mama and they getting cracked down by another nigga. It's niggas who married a girl a week later, nigga, she already getting cracked by another nigga after getting married, though. It's niggas who put they all in a girl, took her out, you know, paid for her utilities, you know, gave her the fucking world, put this girl above them, and still got treated dirty. Look at it as a stop sign. Stop putting women above you. Stop putting women on a pedestal. If you treat her like a celebrity, she gonna treat you like a fan. If you put her above, she gonna put you under. If you put her first, she gonna put you last. Learn how to love your soul. Learn how to wake up with the greater attention of self-love. And another thing too, right? If you a real nigga, hold yourself accountable. And that's how you improve in every aspect in your life. It's accountability. The first step of becoming a man is holding yourself accountable. Literally. See it wrong in your actions. What did you do to her? Oh, Jayyduty, I didn't do nothing. See, that's not what I want to hear. You see, nobody want to hear that shit because you know what you did. You probably cheated on her. You was probably looking at her friend a certain type of way. Nigga, you probably did some evil shit to her. Like, y'all both probably was the problem. Now you just need the motherfucker move on. And it is hard to move on after being attached to somebody, especially if somebody F you over, because your brain sink for revenge. So you just want to go back in that person's life and do some stupid shit so you can hurt her. Or so you can, you know, make her feel exactly how you feel. Man, fuck all that, dog. Just move on with ease. That's the best revenge you can ever do, is just move on and get rich. Move on, build a business, stay focused on that business, and just keep going, my nigga. Don't be focusing on no girl. You can't control no girl. You're going to be stuck digging a miserable hole trying to get somebody to understand how you feel. It's pointless. Just move on and just better yourself. Go to the fucking gym. That's the only thing you can do. I remember when I first got my heart broken, I went to the gym and I started connecting with people. And it's this one particular guy that I connect with. And, you know, he was heartbroken and he was in better shape. He was like, man, listen, man, I got effed over by my ex. She literally cheated on me with another guy. And I was like, wow. And I was like asking him these questions. I'm like, do you know who the other guy is? He was like, yeah, she be posting him. And I'm like, let me see him. Let me see him right now. And he showed me what he looked like. I was like, bro, listen, dog, you are way better, my nigga. Like, she cheated on you for this guy. Like, they gonna always go downhill. They gonna always choose less. Like, that's crazy, nigga. You probably more better than that, nigga. You probably got more money than that nigga. You probably got more muscles than that nigga. You probably got a greater sense than that nigga. Like, you probably just better. You probably got more motivation than that nigga. You probably more disciplined than that nigga. You probably a cheat. Nigga, that shit crazy. Like, bro, don't even worry about that shit. Like, bro, they gonna always go downhill and choose less. Like, don't ever think, oh, she gonna leave you for a better dude. Nah, that's never the case. Promise you. Nigga, that's never the case. They never find better, nigga. That's why they gonna keep coming back, because they know they ain't gonna never find anybody better just like you. They know they ain't gonna never find somebody who will respect them. You get what I'm saying? Not every other dude is just like you, bro. You got to realize that, my nigga. Like, you got drug dealers out here. You got motherfuckers who always complain. You got motherfuckers who don't even want to work. At least you got the motivation to go clock in. And if you ain't got the motivation to clock in, that's probably why she ain't want to be with you. Go clock in, go stack up that chicken bread. Go start a business and stay focused on it for a long period of time so it can materialize. The greatest revenge of all time is success. That's all you need to do, bro. And it sounds so easy, but it's not. It's simple, but it's not easy. But you got to connect with the higher power, my nigga. Stop focusing on what you can't control. The only thing you can do right now, right? Because if you just got cheated on, right, and you just found out about this, right? Yeah, do crash out all you want. You is going to crash out. I know how it is. But afterwards, ghost her. Don't talk to her. Don't text her. Don't message her. Don't call her. Don't hit her friends up. Don't hit her mama up. Ghost her. Don't seek for revenge. Just ghost her. Just go to the gym. Like, that's how you get your mind off negativity. It's just lifting weights. Go see how much you can lift, my nigga. Go do some pull-ups and see how much Nigga, you worrying about a girl. Nigga, can you even do 10 goddamn pull-ups, nigga? Think about that, nigga. You worrying about a girl, nigga. Can you even do fucking 5 push-ups? Nigga, get down on the floor and try to do 5 push-ups. Nigga, you worrying about a girl. You worrying about a girl. What creates weak men is distractions. The second you live your life less distracted, you will become the best version of yourself. Stop focusing on her. Start focusing on the man within. Start focusing on what you want in your life. And it shouldn't just only be a woman. Like, yeah, improve your quality of your life. Like, yeah, improve your relationship with women, but also improve the relationship you have with the higher power. And improve your body. Improve your looks. Like, improve your confidence. Like, it's other areas in your life that you need to improve. Improve your finances. You get what I'm saying? Like, stop just worrying about a woman, bro. Because when you only focus on a woman, you forget about yourself. Nah, you ain't doing anything that would improve your life. Focus on this. I want you to read a lot of self-improvement books, listen to a lot of self-improvement audio books on YouTube. You know, listen to people who's talking about purpose, God, money. Listen to people who's talking about the thing that you want in your life so you can start focusing on that. You need to switch your focus. Let that relationship, that situation better you. Don't let it control you. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.